Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable text call on your Samsung S24 Ultra. So text call will answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they're calling, and you'll see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. So if you're in a place or in a situation where you cannot really talk, you can use this feature to communicate with the other person. So let me show you how to enable this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the phone app. Here you want to make sure you're on keypad. Then tap on the three dots in the top right and tap on settings. From this menu, find text call, which is right here. Tap on it. Go ahead and enable this feature. Now down below here, you can go ahead and choose what language. You can choose the voice. You can choose some quick responses. And you can decide if you want to play the other person's voice or not. So you can hear what the other person says during a text call, in addition to showing it on the screen. As it reads, video transcription might not be accurate, so don't 100% rely. I would suggest enabling play other person's voice. So there you go guys, that is how to enable a text call on your Samsung S24 Ultra.